Hey, if you want to pair your HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2 with your Android phone, first of all, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside the case and charge them for around 10 minutes. And in the most cases, they will go to the pairing mode automatically. So this indicator will start blinking white. But as you can see, in my case, it's green. So I have to move them to the pairing mode. And how to do this? On each earbud, we can find this touch sensor. It's located right here and also right here. When they are in the charging case, we have to click and hold on these two buttons at the same time, just like that, and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. As you can see right now, it is blinking. So take a look. I'm just gonna show you. Right now it is blinking, so we are in the pairing mode. And then keep that case open, put it close to your Android phone, and simply open the Bluetooth settings. So go to the normal settings and go to the connected devices and click to pair new device. Now from available devices list, you have to select your FreeBuds SE2. So now just wait until they pop. We can restart Bluetooth if there's any issue, if they are not recognized. Try to repeat. Okay, as you can see right now, it is looking for the nearby devices. It finds my TV, but it's still searching for the FreeBuds, and here we can find them. So click on them and then accept the pairing request. So as you can see, if you have any issue that your earbuds are not recognized, they are not on the available devices list, just be patient and wait and simply restart the Bluetooth. And the second part of this video will be to connect this earbuds into the HUAWEI AI Live application. So to do this, you have to open your browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome, and we have to tap on the search pool and type HUAWEI AI Live. That's the application that we will download. And we have to download this application from the official Huawei website. So in the most cases, it will be first search on your browser. We have to click on this red button, install now. If you have this cookies stuff, we can accept, and then we can click on the blue button to install right now. Then select to download via browser and click to download anyway. Now we can take a look for the details. As you can see, there's a couple of the seconds and the application will be on our phone. So after the download is finished, we have to click on it and then tap on the settings and allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps from this source. That's the external source. And when you do this, we've got the install button, so we have to click on it. Now there's the installation process, and we can finally open our application. And this time you have to also remember to keep that case all time open. Do not move it. As you can see, in my case, it's for some reason doesn't open, so I have to go to the app drawer and locate the HUAWEI AI Live application and open it manually. I don't have the screen lock, so if you also don't have, we have to click continue. We have to click next, agree, and accept this location permission. And as you can see here, we can find our FreeBuds SE2. So when you basically connect them previously by the standard Bluetooth settings and then open them right here, you will have them. All we have to do right now is to enable this auto update plugins over the Wi-Fi. So click enable. So we have to be connected all the time with the So we have to be connected all the time with the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And as you can see, after a few seconds, the plugin is downloaded and we can finally click to open our earbuds. And here we are in the application. We can find some base features. And right now we've got also option to download the new software. So that's all for this video. Bye.